Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill, then you wanna cry ill will.
Today I think I had a worst day. I'm not sick, but I woke up not feeling myself. I was so down, and I think I acted cold on my baby, on my boyfriend. And guess what? He bought me flowers. I was just there feeling down. I just didn't want to talk to anyone, and he just called and was like, "Open the gate for me." I was like, "You at work? What do you mean?" I was like, "Come on, open the door. Come on, open the gate." And guess what? He had bought me flowers. Thank you, honey. Thank you so much. Like, just seeing him and these flowers. He usually gives me flowers, but this was unexpected because it was a surprise. It was a surprise. Thank you, honey. I really love you so much. And um, I'm better. I'm better, really. Thank you, honey. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just me, your body, and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Hey lovelies, good morning. So today is Friday. It's almost a weekend and we are going in the gym. We are going to the gym, but we dress like this because we have a meeting later with my friend. We are becoming business partners somewhere in a different field, maybe that you don't know about. So I have a meeting after. That's why I'm dressing like this. I got flowers from my man. I got flowers yesterday from my man because I wasn't feeling well and he surprised me. Anyway, he didn't know that I wasn't feeling well. But yeah, guys, I have an update about gym and body weight, and I've lost weight. I've lost weight. I have the best coach in the world. But watch the video and see what I'm talking about. So let's go in the gym and see you later, okay? So we're going to go in the gym after we go for swimming because it's been long actually since I last went for swimming, but it's in the same area. So I'm going to go for gym. I'll do swimming and I also do sauna. Yeah, that's it. Bye. Good morning, guys. I'm here with an update. Now we went back in the gym like in October when it was starting. Actually, yeah, October, and we were weighing 80 kilograms. Honestly, when I went on the weighing scale with my coach, I felt like a cow. I felt like a cow. And then we've been doing gym from October 1st till date, and we've lost 5 kilograms in a month, and I'm proud. I've had grown fat. Now I'm a thick lady. I'm very, very thick, if you don't know. And I'm not there to lose like my size and all that. But first we had to focus on losing the body fat and then, of course, weight. Again, I don't want to be thin, but I want to be thick with a good body shape. So we've lost 5 kilograms and we want to be at 68 for starters. 68 because I was saying 65, but my coach was like, no, you don't need to be at 65 according to your body shape and size. You don't have to be that like light. You have to be at 68. So right now we're at 75 and I'm so proud of me and I'm so proud of my partner like in gym because it's a milestone. But anyway, we are going to the gym and then sauna, steam, and maybe today I'll do some swimming too because it's been a while. We have a new video on on YouTube. We have a new video on YouTube, on my lifestyle YouTube and on my farming YouTube on the farm. Okay, so let's dress up and we go. We are going to sort these flowers. Thank you, Harry, for giving me flowers. I love you and I love them. Thank you, darling.
It's 7 o'clock on the dot. I'm in a drop top, your legs on the dashboard. Yeah. So tell me what I'm to do whenever I'm missing you. Tell me, do you love me? Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to call me. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. Know it's hard, but we need each other. Back and forth. I'll take that if that's all you asking for. With my legs up on the dashboard. In my pocket is my passport. Yeah. Somebody give me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? It could have been right, but I was wrong. I only think about you when I'm alone. Part of me that can't just knows it's gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we tried to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. Though I'm holding again, 'cause I know in the end we don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. We could have been. We could have been. Oh, we could have been. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
Literally scared.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you knew the deal. Oh, well, I guess that's what happened.
Every day, I remind myself of how far I have come from. I look back and know it has never been so easy.
It's 7 o'clock on the dot. I'm in a drop top, your legs on the dashboard. Yeah. So tell me what I'm to do whenever I'm missing you. Tell me, do you love me? Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to call me. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. Know it's hard, but we need each other. Back and forth. I'll take that if that's all you asking for. With my legs up on the deck.